Okay, so let's roll this thing. Force Dreams, Force Nightmares in booksgoogle.com. Here we go. Click in. Here's the book. I'm going to move it over so it's in the right centered spot for us here. And there we go. We'll expand it out a little bit so it's easier to see. So we're going to move it over just a touch so it's in the right spot. Here we go. All right, so let's zoom to the pages we need here. Go to page 32, I think was the first one. We still got a ways there. Okay, so 30, 31, 32. I'm going to start paging down. What you do is take a screenshot every time that I move this up so we have a little more available there too. Okay, so take a screenshot on each one of these. Move it up just a touch. There's 32. So screenshot. Ready? Okay, or pause it here and get yourself and take a photo. I'm going to give you more. There's another screenshot for you. And again, just pause it if you don't have your camera ready quickly enough to do that, or doing it with your computer, whichever way. Probably if you just do a computer screenshot, you're better off. All right, so page 33, first part. More on page 33. Okay, we didn't quite get all of that, so there it is. There's page 34. Screenshot it. That's the rest of 34. Now we got to go to page 37. There's 36. Here's 37. Okay, shoot that one. That's the end of page 37. Now you all the way through page 42, so I'll do the next one. There's 38, first part. Screenshot. There's the rest. 39, screenshot. There's the rest. 40, screenshot. There's the rest. Oh, ours is stuff we didn't need. Oh, okay. No, that's, excuse me, that's right. We need 41 now. So 41. Screenshot. Okay, that was out. That's easy for that one. Well, this is page 42 here. So I'll do the first part. Screenshot. 42. Now we're going to jump to page 46. Probably a bad idea. I could be using my page thing. I think it's more control this way, so that's why I'm doing that. Sorry to annoy you with my slowness. 46. First screenshot on 46. And next shot, screenshot page 46. Then we're going to go to page 51 and we'll be done. Let's just make sure, yeah, it says 50. I think we only needed through, let's do this just in case, okay? First part of 50, last part of 50, and 51. Oh, it's beyond this, okay. It's like through 55, I guess. Okay, we're equal 55. All right, so 52. 53. 3, now page 54. This part. And the last part of page 54, there. And there's 55, first part. And the last part of page 55, right there. Okay, that's it. Let's end this.